In this video, I will show you how to convert time string to time in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some time values in string format like 115, 1230, etc. in the HH, MM format. Now I want to convert these text values to Excel time. Since these are text values, we cannot directly change the format of these cells to Excel time format using the format cells option. So I will extract individual hour and minute values from the text string and then use the Excel time function to convert it to time. The time function returns the time based on the specified hour, minute and second values. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type time followed by an opening bracket. Since the hour number is mentioned as the first two characters of the time string, I will extract it using the left function like this. Type a comma to enter the minute argument of the time function. The minute number is located at the end of the string. So I will use the Excel write function to extract the last two characters from it. Type a comma to enter the seconds argument. Since the time strings do not have seconds, I will specify 0 as the seconds argument of the time function. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. If the time values are not displayed properly, select all these cells and then select time as the format from the top menu like this. As you can see, we now have converted the time string to Excel time. Sometimes the time string is in HH, MM, SS format like given in this column. To convert this time string to time, we can use a similar formula. Let's start the formula by typing the time function. Since the hour part is mentioned at the start of the string as the first two characters, I will use the left function to extract it. The minute number is located as the character numbers 3 and 4. So I will use the mid function to extract two characters starting from the character number 3. The seconds number is mentioned at the end of the string as the last two characters, so I will use the write function to extract them. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have converted HH, MM, SS time string to Excel time. Once we get the valid Excel time values, we can format them using the format cells dialog box. To do that, select all these cells and then press the Ctrl and 1 key on the keyboard to open up the format cells dialog box. Now click the custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the type text box and then enter HH:MM:SS, a space and then AM/PM as the format. Also, make sure to check the preview section. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, the time format has changed now. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.